Certain company has 255 employees. If an employee is to be selected at random from the company's employees, is the probability less than 1/2 that the employee selected will be a woman who has a college degree? So from our prompt, it sounds like this is going to be a combination overlapping set / probability question. So if it's an overlapping set, our groups are going to be, so we got women and not women, which means men. So women, men, and then we got people with a college degree, and then people with no college degree. And we want to know, so first we know that our total employees is 255. And so we want to know if the probability of selecting someone from this box here, women with a college degree, is less than 1/2 or less than 50%. So we want to know, we can think of that as this box less than half of our number of people in this box, less than half our employees. So half our employees looks like it would be a decimal, and it would be so 127 times 2 would be 254. So 127.5. So we want to know if this box here is less than 127.5, but we can't have partial people. So that's really just saying less than or equal to 127. So do we have less than or equal to 127 in the women college degree box? Statement 1, 130 of the company's employees do not have a college degree. So that means this box here is 130, and this comes from statement 1. So that means 125 people do have a college degree. So let's think about this before we say, okay, we can't solve for this box. We don't have to solve for this box, because if this column here is our subtotal for our different rows, so if this subtotal here is 125, then each of these individual boxes must be less than or equal to 125. And so if they're each going to be less than or equal to 125, this box here certainly has to be less than or equal to 127, and so that is sufficient. Statement 2 says, so I can delete this now, 125 of the company's employees are men. So if I got 125 here, that means I got 130 here. So I know my women with a college degree definitely has to be less than or equal to 130, but that doesn't tell me if it's less than or equal to 127, because it could be 128, which is greater than 127, or it could be 125, which would be less. So the second statement is not sufficient, and we are left with just A.